7 persons were killed and more than 40 injured following an explosion at a chemical factory in Maharashtra's Thane district on Thursday afternoon, officials said. As a boiler exploded at Amadan Chemicals located in Phase 2 of Dombivli MIDC area around 1:40 pm, the impact of the explosion and the resultant blaze affected adjacent factories. Locals at Opakhandepur are breathing a collective sigh of relief as the contractor managed to complete the cross-drain work by 22nd May, within a record 7 days. The road is now anticipated to be open for use by 4th June, coinciding with the reopening of schools. The sudden road closure at the junction on the highway for the cross-drain culvert construction on 15th May had upset the villagers. Glow Fest, Lantern Fest that was scheduled to be held at Morji Eco-Sensitive Beach on 25th May has been cancelled after public outcry. The Director of Tourism Department has also clarified that the department has neither given any permission nor has received any application for the Lantern Fest. Director said that the beach is notified as a turtle nesting site and necessary action will be taken against the fest. Footpaths along the Panjim roads have become open parking lots for indisciplined 2- and 4-wheeler users. Many have complained that because of the digging work they cannot find parking spot. However, the police personnel have been seen ignoring this problem conveniently. Educationists and environmentalists have cautioned the government for the implementation of national education policy. They say that without inclusive education and connect-to-ground realities, the policy will fail to foster in the required improvements in the field of education in Goa. An illegal tree cutting was witnessed by the residents at Talegaon, wherein the owner of the land claimed that they have the right to cut down the tree, but the residents retaliated, stating that the tree belonged to the community of Talegaon. Without any proper documentation, felling of tree are being held despite facing opposition from the locals. The corporate city of Panjim carried out a pre-monsoon work of cleaning the main drainage system in Panjim located in from Azad Maidan to the main road petrol pump. The drains faced a blockage as a concrete slab and debris were thrown into drains. Discarded plywood from the mini golf course set up near Miramar Beach during the National Games last year has been fashioned into makeshift beds atop the trees. Tourists visiting the state have taken full advantage of these beds during their siesta time. Lotoli farmers and villagers on Thursday assembled to protest in anticipation of PWD officials carrying out a demarcation exercise for the new Borim Bridge. As per the farmers, this marks the third demarcation meeting wherein the officials were unable to show themselves despite issuing a notice of their arrival. In the ongoing scandal of Shreya Dhargalkar making disrespectful comments about Devi Lehrai, the devotees gathered at the Bicholi police station to demand an immediate apprehension of Shreya. After getting bail from Kunkolam police station, Bicholi police apprehended Shreya for judicial custody in Bicholi. Dr. Dhaval of GMC said that KP1 and KP2 sub-variants have made their way to Goa with samples of as many as 16 patients tracked by the state's Genome Sequencing Laboratory after being the cause of rise in Singapore. Dr. Dhaval further said that however there is nothing to be worried about as all the 16 patients have recovered at home. A speeding 4-wheeler car fell into Nulla in Marcel near Goa Bagaitar after the driver lost control of the vehicle. The vehicle even took with itself a parked scooter and a pedestrian passing by. Fortunately, no fatalities were reported, however the pedestrian has been injured and shifted to hospital for medical attention. The Navelim Interward football tournament played at Government Primary School ground Talolim on Wednesday. Politics boys defeated Revora boys by 4-0 goals. Presley Gomes, Meliston Dias, Shannon Dias and Danroe was netted for Politics boys. In another match, Red Bull Talolim defeated Spring Boys Mandopa 5-4 via the tiebreaker. The Chapel Feast of Bandora, meaning the Feast of Saint Roque, celebrated at Saint Roque Chapel Bandorao Thursday. Father Seville Antao was the main celebrant for the feast mass, besides other concelebrant Chapalia Father Salvador. Ademola Lookman scored a stunning hat-trick as Atlanta ended Bayer Leverkusen's 51-match unbeaten run to win the Europa League final 3-0 on Wednesday and claim their first trophy for 61 years. Lookman became the first player to score a hat-trick in a European final since 1975 to secure Atlanta's first ever continental trophy.